Hello, space and science enthusiasts. Today, we have an incredibly exciting and mysterious topic for you. Japan has launched a UFO investigation. Why, you ask? After the US designated this area as a hotspot, Japan has turned its eyes to the skies. Let's dive into the details together. Last Thursday, a group of Japanese lawmakers gathered and stated that UFO sightings should not be dismissed, as they could potentially be surveillance drones or weapons. This investigation was initiated less than a year after the U.S. Department of Defense released a report designating the region as a hotspot for mysterious objects. This nonpartisan group, with over 80 members including former defense ministers, aims to enhance Japan's ability to detect and analyze unidentified aerial phenomena, more commonly known as UFOs. While these phenomena are often associated with little green men in popular imagination, they have become a serious political issue in the United States. Last year, the Pentagon said it had reviewed 510 UFO reports. That's more than 3 times the number in their 2021 file. Japanese lawmakers hope to align the local perception of UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena, with their allies' concerns about potential surveillance operations. Group member and former Defense Minister Yasukazu Hamada stated before the launch, "It is extremely irresponsible to surrender to the unknown and continue to ignore the unidentified." It was an embarrassing moment for Japan's Ministry of Defense when unauthorized footage of a helicopter destroyer docked after a drone attack on a military facility recently circulated on Chinese social media. Last year, the ministry said it strongly suspects that flying objects seen over Japanese skies in recent years were surveillance balloons sent by China. Prominent group member and opposition lawmaker Yoshiharu Asakawa said that UFOs have long been seen as a secret topic with no connection to politics in Japan. But if they turn out to be cutting-edge secret weapons or disguised espionage drones, they could pose a serious threat to our national security. Keep up with these exciting and mysterious developments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. Let's continue exploring the secrets of the sky together.